Today we will be showing you guys how we made this backdrop. I say we, but my husband actually made it all. Thank you so much, babe. Before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you guys want to see, my next video is going to be building a grass wall, which is kind of the same thing, but I'm going to be adding grass to it. But yeah, and if you also wanted to rent it, I am going to be renting it out to parties. Just follow my Instagram. My business page is Princess Jonalyn Sweets. My personal page is Princess Jonalyn. But yeah, look how cute it came out. I love it so much. Stay tuned to the very end to see how I decorate it. It's for a boho party, so I can't wait to show you guys how it looks all set up. With all the table decorations, all the dream catchers, and the balloon garlands. It's gonna look so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. It costed us under $80 to make. So if you want to see how we made it, just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a little DIY. It's perfect for parties. And I'll show you guys what we are gonna get. We got a special guest right here. Look at this handsome guy. Wow! Aww. So we are in the wood section trying to figure out what wood to get. I still don't know, but they will figure it out. Okay, you guys, we found the wood that we want. I'm not sure the price because it's just on this little cards, but this is what it says on the sticker. 1x4 full strip SPF. Yeah. That's what it looks like a lighter finish. Super cute. Go guys, teamwork! Teamwork! Daddy's got his little helpers today. Stay tuned for a video. Okay guys, so originally we were getting these pieces of wood, and then on our way out we actually found this piece of wood, and it looks already made like that. Like, it has their little ridges, so we're gonna do this one instead. It's gonna be easier, so we're not gonna have to screw all the pieces in because they're already made like that. Super cute. So this is what it's called: 4x8 Select Sierra Hardy 8 feet. I don't know, that's what it says. $40, not bad. Can you see how it looks, babe?
Baby girl, you trying to have me look like Noah?
Look how cute! There's Noah over here. I'm so glad we found this one. It's gonna be so easy. So we're gonna cut it down because it's too wide. It's too wide. So we're gonna cut it down and then we are going to stain it. So we found a hack to do.
Look, babe, look.
Look at Apple, who wants to do it now. We found a hack to do it faster and easier. So we just found this. I mentioned the name, I don't really know what it's called, but it's already kind of made with the pallets. And then we're gonna get it cut down to 5 feet. Apple! That's what I gotta deal with, everyone. Look at Daddy and Apple. But yeah, this is what we are going to be working with, and we're going to stain it so it could look a little bit more rustic, kind of. So we're going to be right here at the cutting center at Home Depot. They're going to cut it down to 5 feet because this is too wide. That booty though.
Pallet at 4.5?
Yeah, so we ended up cutting it at 4.5, the pallet, the big pallet. And then we got these are 8 feet, and we cut them down to 6 feet, and then we're gonna use these to stand them up. You guys will see. Oh, and then for the bottom legs, we're gonna use this. So we got, is this a foot, babe? We got a foot. I don't know what it is, we just found it at the cutting board. But yeah, this is a foot. We're gonna be using it for the bottom to stabilize it, I guess. I don't know. How cute. Okay guys, so this is the wood we ended up getting, the one that I showed you that was $39.99. We cut it down to 4 feet. No, 4.5 feet. So it's 4.5 feet wide. And then we also got these little wood panels, I guess, or pallets. I'm not sure what they're called. They were 8 feet. We cut them down to 6 feet. Okay, guys, so you guys can leave it the color that it is. It's like a nice light wood brown. But I want to stain it, so I got this stain. I'll try to insert pictures of it like online because we got everything from Home Depot. But this is the wood stain I'm getting. And what else we got? We got, oh, a brush for it. This one's actually for staining, so I don't know if the paintbrushes will work, so that's why I got this one. What, baby? And then last but not least, we got this little thing to kind of sand it down, because I don't know if you can tell, but it needs to be sanded down before we stain it, because then it's gonna be it's not gonna take, I guess, on it. And then the last thing you're gonna need is screws and a screwdriver. Well, my husband's using a drill, so once he wakes up, I'm gonna have him start drilling it. But right now, I'm going to start by sanding it down before he starts putting everything together. Okay, guys, so in total, I spent about $70 to $80, I believe. My husband does have the screws already, so we didn't have to pay for screws. But yeah, I think everything in total was about $75, I want to say. So it's just $100 to build this, and it's gonna be super easy since we found this one already kind of made. Huh? Okay. But yeah, I'll definitely leave the links down below to purchase these exact ones that I got. So if you scroll down to the description, you could find it, so you could purchase it. You could also do like a buy online and pick up in store, I guess. So it could be kind of easier to get everything at the same time. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start doing is sanding it down, because my husband is sleeping right now, so I'm just going to start on stuff that I could actually help him with. So I'm going to start sanding it down, sanding this part and also the sides, because I am going to be attaching a balloon garland to it. You guys, I'm not a professional, so I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to start by sanding it just like this. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, now that I'm done sanding this, I'm gonna start sanding all the other things that have like the rigid edges. Like this has rigid edges on these corners, so make sure to sand everything just so you don't get any splinters. Look at all the sanding that came off. So crazy. Okay, guys, so now you gotta get a handsome husband. He's screwing in the legs. So I'm just screwing them to the back. This is right here. That's what it looks like. It's like that. So just screwing them in. Make sure to tip your husband. I'm tipping him with Starbucks.
What else?
Can you guys guess what this one is? It's secret menu. What are you guys' favorite Starbucks? Comment down below what's your favorite Starbucks. Mine is obviously the pink. Oh shit. Mine is obviously the pink drink. Damn, babe, put those guns away. Are those guns even legal?
Not in this day.
So these are the screws that we're using. These are general purpose, babe? They're gold general purpose screws.
Don't get the black ones.
Not the black ones, he said. You just drilling it in there. So this is what you need on the bottom for support. It's kind of just a little triangle with 2 pieces of the wood that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah, he's finishing the other side. But it looks so good already. And we're not really familiar with like with carpentry. He's an electrician, so we're just kind of doing whatever kind of, yeah. Okay, now he's cutting off the excess screws so that they're not poking out. Mainly because I'm going to be using it for, I'm going to have a balloon garland as well, so I don't want them to pop on you. See how they're like pointing out? So just got to cut them down.
Diagonal cutting.
He's using diagonal cutters would do the job. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looks right now. So it's already made. You can leave it like this if you like this finish, the wood finish, the light brown. But I'm going to stain it so it can look like a little bit more rustic. So I already showed you guys what staining paint, I guess what it's called. I don't know what it's called. But I'm going to start painting it now. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to stain the wood right now. Golden pecan. I don't know. So now babe is just staining it.
Oh, it's hair.
I love how it looks. I love the color. Let's see if we get close.
Kill the bitch with this.
Like the color difference. So cute. It's more of like a rustic theme now, huh?
Yeah.
I love it. So just apply a light coat. Like you don't need a lot of it.
Hey guys.
It's coming out so nice. I love it.
What's your feet? It's on your shoes.
Oh shit.
Make it brown. I mean black.
We hear Apple over here trying to be bossy. So here is the finished product. How pretty. I love the color.
Thank you, babe.
So cute.
Come on, show us who did it.
So look at this is the handsome man that put it together. Thank you, babe. So the reason why I did it, the reason why I did 6 feet was because the last time I did a 7-foot board, and it was kind of hard to go into the hall that it was in because the doorway wasn't as long. So I think 6 feet is like an ideal size. So the table is gonna probably come up to like here. So the bottom's not really, you're not gonna show. That's why we didn't paint the bottom part. So yeah, here's the finished product. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks all decorated. So it's like a boho theme that I'm doing. So in the middle it's gonna say wild one, and then I have 2 dream catchers coming down, and then a balloon garland going around the outer frame. It's gonna look so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah guys, it costed us less than $80 to make, and it was super easy. I love it so much. And then stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grass wall, which is kind of the same thing, but I'm just going to add the grass on top of it. So I'm going to be doing like a whole grass wall. But I wanted to show you guys how I did this one first, because I have this event first, but I seriously love it. I love the color. Guys, look how cute it came out. So this is how I ended up decorating it for the party. I love this theme, it's so cute. So look how the wood looks. It looks so perfect. I think it'll go with any different theme, like rustic theme. But yeah, this is how the backdrop came out. Super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. We're going to be building a grass wall this time. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to us, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.